how to create a custom field in Tracker RMS. The first thing you'll like to consider when adding a custom field is where you would like that custom field to live within your database. I'm looking at a candidate record and I would love a custom field about whether the military will pay for this candidate to be relocated. I've already created a relocation section right here, which is all custom fields, and I'm going to go ahead and add another one. To do that, I'm going to click on my name in the top right corner and head over to the Tools and Settings section. Now, if I don't see these tools and settings on my side, that is because I don't have access, and I'll need to ask my management or admin team to give me access to certain tools. You'll see right here the option that says Create a new custom field, View or Edit existing custom fields. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that. And then the first thing you're going to want to pull from right here is that record type. So we were looking at a candidate record, so we're going to go ahead and choose candidate. And then from here, it looks like the primary record block is not the one we were looking at. Let's take a look at the secondary block. Let's take a look at the third block. All right, so there is the block that I was looking at, and this is where I want to add my new custom field. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and choose the Add Custom Fields button. And I'm going to go ahead and give it a name. I'm going to choose the field type. So as you can see, there's quite a few different field types. In this case, I'm going to choose a yes, no. But you'll see here that you can add text, multi-line text, numbers, lists, which we go over in a different video, etc. And it's going to go on the candidate block in the third block. Do we want it to appear in the record or be hidden? We want it to appear. Do we want it to show up in the quick view? That's also known as the preview eye. And do we want it to be mandatory? So I'm going to go ahead and choose OK. And so that has now been added. I'll want to scroll up and make sure I do hit Save Settings. And now I'm going to use the What Have I Done Today to jump back into my candidate to see that new field has appeared. So if I go into that candidate record and scroll down, you'll see now that custom field has been added.